It's Abuti and Sisi.
Molo Sisi.
Molo, Abuti.
Say hello to the children.
Molweni bantwana.
Let's learn some new words. Can you tell me what the word is for hospital in isiXhosa?
Isibhedlele.
That's right, isibhedlele. And what is the word for store in isiXhosa?
Ivenkile.
That's right, ivenkile. Now what is the word for school in isiXhosa?
Isikolo.
Very good, isikolo. Can you tell me what the word is for church in isiXhosa?
Icawa.
That's right, icawa. And what is the word for house in isiXhosa?
Indlu.
Very good, indlu. So, we have isibhedlele, ivenkile, isikolo, icawa, and indlu. And now you can use these words to build sentences. Goodbye, Abuti. Goodbye, Sisi. See you next time.
Nitsale kakuhle.
Kakuhle.